Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable protected view in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your PowerPoint application and select the File tab up in the top left. And then on the left panel, go down and select Options. And now on the left side here, you want to select where it says Trust Center. And then underneath Microsoft PowerPoint Trust Center, go ahead and select Trust Center Settings. And now there should be something underneath Protected View if you select that button to enable protected view for files originating from the internet, potentially unsafe locations, as well as Outlook attachments. If you want to turn them all on, just make sure they're all check marked here and then select OK to save. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.